Oh, nothing ever happens in Fairhaven anymore. Old boats and boat builders get retired on the shore. They're propped up all over town until they tumble down. They'd nurse their joints and muscles stiff and sore. Seems like nothing ever happens in Fairhaven anymore. Once Fairhaven Harbor was all filled with sailing craft. Both to port and starboard they were anchored fore and aft, and we captains never sinned by cursing at the wind. We took our chance and never cried or laughed. But that was when our harbor was all filled with sailing craft. Welcome to the coming of the age of steam and steel. They say this age is coming now, no matter that we feel. It takes something from the soul to drive a ship with coal. To disregard the weather seems unreal. But welcome to the coming of the age of steam and steel. Tell me, what will happen to these vessels made to sail? Now centuries of sailing ships must come to no avail. They're fading like a dream in this age of steel and steam, and every wooden boatyard has to fail. Tell me, what will happen to these vessels made to sail? Now take as an example this old sloop out in my pasture. For 7 years she's balanced here, awaiting a disaster. She's not a total wreck, maybe needs a tight new deck, but mostly what she needs is a new master. But for now she's just an oyster boat, abandoned in my pasture. Nothing ever happens in Fairhaven anymore. Old ships and old skippers here get washed up on the shore, are stranded high and dry. Our days have passed us by. We sit and wonder what our lives were for. And that's why nothing ever happens in Fairhaven anymore.